Hello guys, here is I have Moto G stylus 5G 2024, and this phone problem is crack. You can see a little bit crack here, but and touch is not working. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this screen. First we're gonna have to remove this back cover. Need to apply some heat on all side, and then we're gonna lift it up from bottom side with this knife. And when we lift it up a little bit, and then we're gonna lift it up all the way the hand and need to heat more. Also you can use alcohol also on side. This is not a glass, so you can remove like that with the hand. It doesn't break this back cover, and we already removed this back cover. Now you're gonna remove this SIM card tray. Now we're gonna remove this all screw. This all screw are same star screw. There is two kind of screen on market. One is with the frame, one is without frame. We're gonna show you with the frame one. This is easy to fix it. I already removed this panel from top of the motherboard. Now we're gonna remove this battery connection, and bottom side we have to remove this speaker panel. First we have to remove this screw. This all the screw are same star screw. Already removed this all screw. Now you're gonna remove this speaker. Easy to remove it. And here is the charging port. Remove this pan, touch pan, and now you're gonna remove this motherboard. Here is one screw, we have to remove it. And now you're gonna remove this antenna connection on top side. And here is the charging port connection, frame connection, and here is the screen connection. Remove it, and top of the speaker there is one tape. We have to remove that from speaker. From top of the speaker we have to remove it. Now you're gonna separate the motherboard. From downside we just pushing up is come out easily. So already remove the motherboard. Now you're gonna remove this speaker, ear speaker. You have to use apply some alcohol. Also you can use heat on bottom side, from bottom side, but alcohol is easy to remove it, so we just use some alcohol and lifting up, and with this knife we just pushing up the speaker on bottom side. It's come out easily. And bottom side we're gonna separate the mother charging port. Remove this connection, and here is another screw, we have to remove it. And here is a fingerprint connection, we have to remove the fingerprint also. Slowly we have to remove it. And here is the antenna connection. We're gonna keep it, see it's gonna be easier or not. Remove this charging port, and now you're gonna remove this vibration. Gonna use the knife to remove it. Remove the vibration. Now we have to remove this battery. The battery, we're gonna remove this charging port. Separate the charging port from antenna, because this antenna connection is close to my batteries. So separate the charging port. Now you're gonna remove this battery. Use the alcohol first outside, and wait 2-3 minutes is better. So glue. Yeah, this other Motorola battery is hard to remove it, but this phone is easy to remove this battery after using alcohol. easily. Motorola battery is very hard to remove it, and this one is removed easily. And you can see battery is straight, nothing damaged. Try to use the plastic tools always to remove this battery. Don't use steel plate to remove it. Always use plastic tools. Remove this antenna. There is a two antenna connection, and now we're gonna remove this charging port flags. Separate this and already out almost everything. Here is the new screen. You can find on eBay. You can find some website wholesale company. With the frame one, same color. There's a couple of color. We use the gold color. Now we're gonna put it back the air speaker. Some glue on their connection side. It's not gonna remove. The air speaker in middle and connection will be there. There is one hole. Just goes on center. Just press it down. It's easy to attach. Try using the glue. And now we're gonna install motherboard. First we're gonna organize this screen ribbon, screen connection, and here's the motherboard. First goes on top side and then just press it down, and there is organize the camera, front camera, all camera you have to organize. Make sure everything is connect nicely. And here is the one speaker screw we have to put back, and I think we did wrong on right side. One should be on left side hole, that is screw. I'm going to show you later on. And we connect the screen connection already, and bottom side we have to put the first vibration, and then we're going to put this charging port. There is on a screw, you put it back, and last two, you're gonna put it back on fingerprint. And now we're gonna do it charging port ribbon. SUB on bottom side, main on top side, motherboard side. Just organize it. Sure is fitted nicely. Now you know organize the antenna. Black one goes on inside. And white one goes on top side. There is a hole on inside and glue on it, so it's easy to attach. There is one plastic tape, just put on top so it's not going to move. And organize the both connection. It's perfect here. And now we're going to use double side tape to the battery. Just put the battery nicely and press it down so it's going to attach with the tape. Connect this battery connection. And there is one plastic top of this fan. There is no glue, so just press it down. There is connection. Just press it down to the fine. The pen. Now you're gonna put the speaker. I'm talking about this screw. It goes on left side. Now you're gonna put the panel, and and put back all the screw. Just press all side, make sure it goes all the way in. Then we're gonna put back all the screw. All the screw are same. And bottom side also put the speaker panel. Goes bottom side first, then just press it down. Put back all the screw. Now you're gonna see you're gonna turn on the phone and make sure the phone is turning out nicely and what screen work. It's turning on. Swipe up. Touch is working. Touch is working nice. This look perfect. And now we're gonna put back the SIM card tray and we're gonna put back this back cover. We're gonna remove this all tape on side. Not like previous tape, we're gonna remove it. And by the time we're gonna put the glue on all side. So after put the glue, we're gonna wait like 2-3 minutes. And that time we're gonna clean this tape on cover. We already cleaned it. And I'm gonna put it back, this back cover, and just press it down all side. And you can use the rubber on to close nicely. I'm gonna use the tape, rubber. You can use a clip, rubber, tape, whatever you have. You just do it. We're gonna keep it like couple hours. It's better. And that's nice, perfect, everything. And that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.